At the end of this video, you will get a free business plan template that you can download and modify to easily create a quality business plan for your business. Starting a vending machine business can be a lucrative and rewarding venture for entrepreneurs looking to invest in a low-maintenance, high-potential business model. With the right planning and execution, vending machines can provide a steady stream of passive income. This guide will walk you through the essential steps to kickstart your vending machine business. 1. Research and market analysis. Begin by conducting thorough research on the vending machine industry. Identify popular vending machine products, target locations, and competitors. Consider factors like foot traffic, demographics, and consumer preferences. Analyzing the market will help you make informed decisions about the type of products and locations that will yield the highest returns. 2. Choose the right products. Selecting the right products is crucial for the success of your vending machine business. Consider the preferences of your target audience and choose items with a high demand. Snacks, beverages, and healthy options are popular choices. Ensure your products have a good shelf life and are suitable for the vending machine environment. 3. Create a business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan outlining your goals, target market, budget, and revenue projections. Include details about the types of vending machines you plan to use, the number of machines, and their locations. A well-thought-out business plan will serve as a roadmap for your venture and help attract potential investors or lenders. 4. Secure funding. Determine the startup costs for your vending machine business, including the purchase of machines, initial inventory, and operational expenses. Explore funding options such as personal savings, loans, or investment from family and friends. Some vending machine suppliers may offer financing options, so explore all possibilities to ensure you have the necessary capital to launch your business. 5. Choose the right vending machines. Selecting the appropriate vending machines is essential for maximizing profits. Consider factors such as size, capacity, and features like cashless payment options. Choose machines with reliable technology to minimize downtime and ensure a positive customer experience. Additionally, explore energy-efficient models to reduce operational costs. 6. Find profitable locations. Identify high-traffic locations for your vending machines. Places like offices, schools, gyms, and hospitals can be lucrative spots. Negotiate agreements with property owners or managers to secure permission for placing your machines. Ensure that your machines are strategically positioned to attract customers and generate consistent sales. 7. Obtain necessary permits and licenses. Check local regulations and obtain the required permits and licenses to operate vending machines in your chosen locations. Some areas may have specific health and safety standards that must be met. Compliance with legal requirements is crucial to avoid fines and ensure the smooth operation of your business. 8. Stock and maintain machines. Regularly restock your vending machines to ensure a diverse and fresh product offering. Implement a consistent maintenance schedule to address any technical issues promptly. Clean and sanitize machines regularly to uphold hygiene standards and enhance the overall customer experience. 9. Implement marketing strategies. Promote your vending machine business to attract more customers. Utilize social media, local advertising, and partnerships with businesses in the area to increase awareness. Consider running promotions or loyalty programs to encourage repeat business. Monitor customer feedback and adjust your product selection based on popular demand. 10. Monitor and analyze performance. Install remote monitoring technology in your vending machines to track sales, inventory levels, and machine status in real time. Analyze this data to identify trends, optimize product selection, and make informed business decisions. Regularly evaluate the performance of each machine and adjust your strategy accordingly. Conclusion: starting a vending machine business requires careful planning, market research, and attention to detail. By selecting the right products, securing funding, choosing strategic locations, and implementing effective marketing strategies, you can create a profitable and sustainable venture. Regularly assess and adapt your business plan based on performance data to ensure long-term success in the dynamic vending machine industry. With dedication and strategic decision-making, your vending machine business has the potential to become a thriving source of passive income. Now, go to the description below this video to get your business plan template. It is completely free, no string attached.